Hey, it's Jose Jafarji from SavvyRealEstateInvestor.com. By far, the most common question I get so far in 2018 is what's going to happen in the GTA real estate market. Well, I have some great insights for you from CMHC and Rain Canada. Every day there are articles that confuse the heck out of the public, like market is going up X percent, listings are down X percent, and what does this all mean? So I wanted to break it down for you in the next few minutes. Now, Toronto is a global city which is attracting over 100,000 new immigrants every single year. It has great employment, but we are running out of land. And we've got Grain Belt on one side and Lake Ontario on the other side. Now, the demand is simple economics. The demand is outstripping the supply. And for the next 2 years, 2018 and 2019, the price growth is expected to be close to inflation, around 3 to 5%, and with some areas doing better and with some types of homes doing better. So what I mean by that is more affordable homes, like especially in the city of Toronto, the condo market is gonna do well just simply because of the price point. It's easier barrier for entry into the market for first-time buyers and so on and so forth, and as well as the areas outside the core GTA, which are more affordable. So you can go as far as Hamilton or Durham region or Kitchener-Waterloo. That's slightly outside GTA. They're gonna do well as well because of the price point, and because the average aggregate home value in Toronto, city of Toronto, is 900,000, which includes all types of homes. So obviously affordability is a major factor in this whole game. The vacancy rate now, if you're a renter or if you're an investor, is going to be is in the GTA is close to 1% right now, which is the lowest in the past 10 years. This is awesome news for investors, and the demand for rentals is only going to get even higher. Now, according to Stats Canada, interesting factor about foreign buyers is that only 3% of total purchases were done by foreign buyers, not what they were projecting to be, like 15, 20% or higher. So that foreign buyer tax is really not a significant impact on what's going to happen in the next few years. Now, it's going to be an interesting 2018. There is the Win elections, Ontario elections coming up, and Win government is definitely going to have some stuff going on that will try to win some votes and make some policy changes perhaps. At the end of the day, you want to remember that real estate is a long-term play, and if you stick with it long-term, you can't go wrong. There was a recent article from Yahoo Finance, and it said over the last 150 years, housing has been the most best and outperforming investment from any other ones, including stocks, bonds, and so on and so forth. So although there's a lot of buzz going on with cryptocurrency and marijuana stocks, I hear about that all the time from my friends and online. But real estate by far has the most control, and it's the other stuff is just borderline gambling, in my opinion. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.